Hi, now it's been a whole month that I've tested Rapid Profit Machine, the money making machine by James Neville Taylor. And so for 1 month, now I have some real figures to show you. Do you know what that is? Look, you see, it's some statistics from Wire Plus, which is the affiliate platform where RPM is sold. So what you can look now, it's you see ops. Ops just mean someone, a new lead got into my email list, and you see that the sales are the products that those people have bought. So look at this. It's not impressive. If you look at the end at earnings, then you will see it's only 500 for a month. But don't look at it like this. Look at the dollar per ops, which means that for each subscriber, email subscriber that I got paid 18 cents. You know, that's what you should see. The goal in affiliate marketing is to have new leads, to build your email list. And while you're doing that with RPM, you are also getting paid, because each lead, instead of costing you something, they are paid 18 cents per lead, and you are growing. Look, in 1 month, I have now 3,000 people on my email list, and also I got 500, but that doesn't matter because the money is in the list. It is in the offers that I will promote to this list. Other offers, not on Wire Plus. It could be Builderall, it could be other things. So you see, you can look at it like this. You are getting paid to have leads. Of course, during this month, I paid to get traffic, but I could have got traffic for free, organic. This doesn't matter. You just look at the figures. If you promote RPM, be it paid traffic or free traffic, you also get paid per lead. So that's how you should see it, and I see it. It's very good. Bye bye.